All right, educators, I am super excited to finally get this in the mail. It is from Kevin Elgin and it is a Chatterbox. And I was part of one of the few people on the Kickstarter to support this. I had the opportunity to talk to Kevin, I think it was last summer, and he's created a voice opportunity, a device children, and it's called Chatterbox. So I'm opening it for the first time, and what I'm excited about is it 100% takes into mind student privacy and it lets students create. As you know, I'm a big proponent of technology that can be used to create because I believe that when students create, they learn more. And so here I am unboxing it. Two boxes in here. I don't even remember what I ordered. Hi, I'm Chatterbox. I'm fun to build and even funner to teach. I can do anything, but first you have to show me how. I can tell you the weather, answer questions, or turn on the light. I can tell a funny joke, message your family, or help with homework. It's up to you and your imagination. I'm ready to learn. Let's get started. Um, so it is this little cardboard box with all the um, fixings for students to use their own imagination. I see a Raspberry Pi in here to create their own little device. So, heads up, Chattanooga Christian School elementary students, we are going to figure out a way to put together these chatterboxes. I'm excited to see what it's about.